Welcome to our YouTube channel, Labels, Flexibles and more. We have Vijay Kamath from Konica Minolta. Vijay sir, tell us which all products you have displayed in PAMEX exhibition.
So welcome to Konica Minolta booth in PAMEX. This is really great experience after Corona pandemic, and we have been displaying our biggest range of all digital printing products here. So this is our label press, Accurate Label 230, which is 4-color CMYK digital press, which has become very popular in India. And after this press, we are ready to launch our next level of press, which is Accurate Label 400. We have been showing very nice samples of Accurate Label 400, which comes with CMYK and white. So these are the samples of Accurate Label 400, which is showing CMYK and white with variety of medias like matte, clear, natural shade. Again, these are the samples of packaging, MGI packaging. Again, you can come very little close to these samples, which are again very spectacular samples of jet varnish 3DW.
MGI varnish,
we do embellishment on label as well as specialized PVC media, shrink media, pouch media. Again, this is very exciting samples to see. This is the first time again in the world what we are demonstrating roll-to-roll 3DW in with UV and foil backdrop. So now let us see our again new flagship product, AccuReShine 3600. This is the first digital embellishment machine with Konica Minolta branding. This is AccuReShine 3600, which does UV on any printing surface, whether it is printed on digital printed surfaces or comes from the offset offset presses. And along with this digital embellish machine, we have been showing offline digital foil machine. So customers are able to do UV on AccuReShine 3600, and after doing UV on AccuReShine 3600, they take these prints to this offline machine, which is again compatible machine to AccuReShine 3600, which is offline foiling machine. So you get very exciting foiling effects on this. So let us go and see MGI gallery to see very interesting applications of UV and foiling. Please come. Here we have been demonstrating our exciting range of production printing devices. This is C12000, where this is the first time we are demonstrating in large exhibition in India. C12000. Please come. So this is our sample gallery actually. This is our sample gallery of MGI, KM1 and label roll-to-roll. These are our industrial print applications, where we show this. These are the MGI applications with digital foil and UV. We have been showcasing packaging applications which are done on AccuReJet KM1E UV inkjet machine, which is large 23 by 29.5 inch format. And we have been showcasing specialized samples with variable data with special substrate like Tyvek, Teslin, which are printed on AccuReJet KM1E. Here we have been showcasing entire range from Konica Minolta production printing devices. So you see you have a complete range of machines for every application in the industry. So like this, you understand Konica Minolta has machines, variety of machines for every digital application in the industry, whether it is printing, whether it is post press, whether it is embellishment, the UV or foiling. For variety of applications, we have applications in each digital segment.